In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort numbers and dashes in Excel. Sorting data in Excel is a crucial skill that helps organize your spreadsheets and makes it easier to analyze information. Sometimes, your data may contain numbers mixed with dashes or other special characters, and sorting them correctly can be a bit tricky if you are not familiar with the process. To begin, open the Excel worksheet that contains the numbers and dashes you want to sort. Make sure all the data is in a single column or a clearly defined table so that Excel can organize it accurately. It's a good idea to check that there are no blank cells in the range you want to sort, as blanks can affect how Excel orders the data. Next, select the column that contains the numbers and dashes. You can do this by clicking on the letter at the top of the column. Once the column is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. In the Editing group, look for the Sort and Filter button. Click on it to see the available sorting options. If you want to sort your data from smallest to largest, select Sort Smallest to Largest. Excel will then organize the numbers in ascending order while keeping the dashes in their correct positions according to their value. If you prefer to sort from largest to smallest, select Sort Largest to Smallest, and Excel will arrange the data in descending order. In some cases, the dashes may represent empty values or placeholders. Excel treats text differently from numbers, so if your dashes are stored as text, they may appear at the top or bottom of the sorted list, depending on the order you choose. To ensure accurate sorting, you can use the Text to Columns feature or convert the column to numbers where possible, which allows Excel to interpret the data correctly. For more advanced sorting, you can use the Custom Sort option. Click Sort and Filter, then select Custom Sort. In the window that appears, you can add multiple levels of sorting, choose specific columns, and define the order of values. This is especially useful if your worksheet contains a mix of numbers, dashes, and text that need to be sorted in a specific way. By following these steps, you can efficiently sort numbers and dashes in Excel, making your spreadsheets more organized and easier to work with. Sorting properly ensures that your data is ready for analysis, reporting, or sharing with others. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.